Welcome Crypto Degens. So if you were active during early days of Aptos, you can be proud of yourself because you're gonna get an airdrop of 150 and 300 Aptos tokens just by playing with their testnet or minting their NFT. 150 for minting NFT is worth around $1,050 right now because token price is around $7. So good luck. We were quite excited about Aptos blockchain because they claimed it's going to do 160 transactions per second. Unfortunately, when they've done their first testnet, that didn't happen. So they are roughly doing between 4 and 37 transactions per second. So they're not even close to Ethereum, which is disappointing. Just to remind you, a team behind Aptos is a former Meta team, so people from Facebook. So they were supposed to do the DM, so they're supposed to do the payment network for Facebook. That didn't go because of the law and enforcement struggles. Basically SEC didn't allow them to do it, so they moved on to build a blockchain. So they're trying to jump around. They left Meta, they're building blockchain, they got crazy amount of funding. They were basically valued at about 2 billion. Right now they are valued to just below 1 billion because token price just halved. Bad news around that blockchain is that most of those tokens are held by VCs, which, guess that, are already staking it. So they are getting the stake profits and they can just dump them on the market. So they can just dump them on you. About 130,000 people. So the lucky people that received the airdrop, they're probably gonna also sell it. So there will be a pressure to the downside for the price. And also tokenomics is not great because if you look at the current volume on exchanges and current volume that is available, it's only about 130 million tokens, and I think full supply is 1 billion tokens. So those VCs are holding those tokens, they're getting stake rewards, and they're probably going to dump those stake rewards on the market to get some money out, which is not great for us retail investors. So Aptos is not looking that great as we accepted, although as we assumed, but investors are still okay with Aptos, and so we'll see how it goes. We're just gonna show you the interesting blockchain that actually raised only 18 million, so funding will be okay, and it's in India, which is one of the best countries to invest at the moment because of the demographics. So basically, co-founder of largest Indian exchange is starting a token which he named Shadeum. Raised 18 million, so valuation will be much better. What we like about that token is that Spartan Group invested here, and Spartan doesn't really dump tokens, so they kind of support projects till the end, and we don't see those money grabs like we could see on Aptos and other projects. So if you ever see Spartan Group invested, it's worth checking that project because it may actually be good and there will be no tricks to basically gain advantage over retail, like again we just see now on Aptos. So we recommend checking and getting some updates on Shadium, what's going to happen here, because it really looks promising. Always remember, you have to have in your portfolio, you should have large exposure to layer ones, because those are tokens that can appreciate the most, can build the largest network effects, and that's what we're looking for network effect. Metcalfe's law, if it goes kicking, it really can create great valuations. Just look at Ethereum and Bitcoin and you see where you can go. Hence layer ones are important, layer twos are important, hence we're always gonna check new layer ones for you and check the ones that may be interesting so you don't miss out. Obviously DeFi gaming, metaverse are also important. Out of those three, I think metaverse will be the last one because it's further away. DeFi and gaming are the most important to play as well. But again, the Metcalfe's law, so network effect, will not be as huge as on those layer ones. So good luck. That's all from us for now. Nothing's happening in crypto in price-wise terms. So I think until the end of this year, we will be in those brackets. And hopefully next year, we will see some prices rise. See you at the next update.